Alright, before we jump into this video, first of all, I couldn't film outside with the backdrop because it's raining, so there's gonna be a lot of background noise if I try to film outside with the backdrop. Second, it's really early for me. I just woke up. I'm trying to film this before I have to go to school because I don't have time to do any filming this week. I'm gonna just try to power through this. Roll that intro. Alright, so in the last video I said that we got a mic. Here it is, and I got the new adapter for it, but it still didn't work, so I have to do exactly what I said I didn't want to do, and that's film audio and video separate and then merge them together when I edit them. So far you've been listening to this video like how I usually film videos. I'm using the microphone that's built into my camera, but I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to this Blu Snowball right here. Alright, so now I'm using the Blu Snowball, the new microphone, and I'm pretty sure you can hear a big difference. The only problem is that I'm gonna have to buy some sort of arm that extends it in front of my face over here, because you kind of have to be like 5 or 6 inches away from it in order for it to work at its best. And that's why I got this laptop and this mic right here. But don't worry about it, I'm just gonna face this way, and it's gonna pick up majority of my voice. It won't be the best, but until we get like an arm that can bring it like this, we're just gonna have to just roll with it. This is my coffee ASMR. Oh, that was hot. Alright, so you probably already read the title, so you already know we got some Supreme books to be going through right now. And so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open up this box first. I think it was for week 13, I think, of fall winter 19. I don't really remember. They released the Supreme book volume 2. I did wake up and I tried to cop, but I didn't get it because I woke up too early because I forgot about daylight savings. So the drop was at 6 a.m. instead of 5 a.m. So I woke up at 5, and because it wasn't live yet, I fell back asleep. So that sucked. But it's okay because I found another one reselling for retail price, so it's all good. I got this for the same price that I would have paid after shipping and taxes from Supreme anyway. This is pretty heavy, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god. I appreciate the Grailed salesman that sent me this. He did a really good job of packaging this. Oh, look at this. Oh my god. Oh, it's a little smashed on the corner there. I'm a little disappointed because, I mean, this is cool and everything, this case that it comes in, but it's just a Supreme sticker that they stuck on here. I thought it was like gonna be printed onto it, kind of like how this little one is, but that's all right. So right here, it's gonna slide out of this sleeve. Oh, that's sick as hell. And there it is. Here's the front, and here is the back of the Supreme book volume 2. Oh, what the? Okay, I had no idea it was gonna be like this. Jesus. So all the pictures I saw were of this, but this is just the cover of the book, and when you open it up, it's this massive Supreme poster thing right here. Front side, back side. That's crazy. And the book itself is so nice. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I can't explain it to you. It's like a really nice material though. The feel is really nice, and it's got the Supreme box logo pressed in right there, heat pressed in. It's really nice. But yeah, right here you can see the Supreme is like pressed in. I have to cover this because this is a bad word, but yeah, it says we do what we want. So that's really cool. It's got 2 Supremes pressed in right there. It's honestly really sick. And there's something else in here, and I think this is a poster. So another Supreme poster right here. Pretty sick. It's got a little box logo down there on the bottom. And so no, I'm not gonna show you the entire book because I don't really have time for that in a video, But if you really want to see what's inside of each book, then I will do 2 separate videos where I show off each book individually, and I'll give you a nice close look. I actually don't know what's in here, to be honest with you, but I'll give you a quick little. It's got a bunch of pictures of some of the hottest Supreme items to have released. This is pretty sick. I think this is a really cool display piece. I'm kind of conflicted because I kind of want to hang this up, but it's also the book cover. I had no idea. That was a good surprise. I didn't know it was going to be like that. It came with that crazy long Supreme poster, almost like, for the book cover. This has to be one of my new favorite Supreme accessories of all time now. I didn't realize it was like that, so that's crazy. And like I said, if you really want, you can comment down below if you want me to do it. I'll do another video where I take like a deep dive into the book and I show you what's inside and everything like that. I show you all the good details. So yeah, like I said, they dropped the Supreme Big Book Volume 2, and the first book, Volume 1, came out in 2010, so 9 years ago, almost 10 years ago. Yeah, so I went ahead and I bought that one too. I figured I might as well just complete the set, right, since there's only 2, and if they're only releasing every 10 years, then I might as well take advantage of it now. So I'm curious to see what condition this book is in because it's 10 years old, but I think it should be in pretty solid condition right here. Here is the first look. It's got like 2 separate, what's this? What? I think this one just has the branding and all that on it, and then this one is probably gonna be a poster again. So yep, I was right. So here is the second Supreme book cover. There's the inside. This one is a Supreme deck in red. Here's the back side. I don't know if you can see, but this one definitely isn't in as good condition as the other one. It's got some discoloration up here on the top, but it's made of the exact same material. Very nice material with the Supreme pressed on. This spine right here is kind of really discolored. There's a bunch of markings over here, but I got this for a really good price. They retailed at $50. After shipping and taxes, I would have paid about $75. So that's why I got the volume 2 for about $75. But this one I picked up for like $30, so that was a really good deal, considering it's 10 years old on top of that. So here it is. This is gonna be like the same general layout, except it's gonna be from about 10 years ago. So this one's gonna have a bunch of more, I'm gonna assume this one's gonna consist of more grails and like older pieces that we now see as really rare and more sought after. So this one's gonna be interesting to look at too. So yeah, same thing with this one. If you want me to do a deeper dive, you want to see what's inside this book because you don't want to go buy it yourself, comment down below or like the video. I'll do it on both of them. I'll show you everything that's inside, so you don't have to go through the trouble of buying it yourself. You can just watch my video about it. Let me know if you want that. All right, and that's gonna be all that I have for this video. I had the 2 Supreme books. Really gassed. They're a lot better than I expected, to be honest, and I think they're pretty sick. I'm not gonna be selling these. I am gonna be holding these for the personal because they only release like every 10 years, so it's something that I want to hold on to. I think it's a nice display piece. I think it's something cool to have, but there are things for sale. Yeah, link in the description below. Go look at that. And if you live in Hilo and you see something you like, DM me, Kilar F03 instead. Do it. I need money so I can buy more cool stuff to unbox. I really need money. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's honestly going to be a pain to stitch the audio and the video together, but I think it makes a really big difference, and I hope you could notice it. If you couldn't notice it, here it is one more time. This is the audio without the microphone now, and this is the audio with the microphone. That was nice, right? I think I deserve a like for getting a good microphone. Go ahead, hit the like button. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe. Alright, that's all I have for this video. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time. The truth.